Hello guys, it's your favorite YouTuber Jonathan Snares here.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
We're fishing out here today. And first I need to check my bait trap. Right out there. What is that? Something I can't fish with. Illegal game. Game fish right here. That sucks. Some old pumpkin seed it looks like. There he goes. Nothing, no live bait tonight. Bait cast. It's the beginning of fall, where I have to wrap up my fishing of the year and wait for next year. I hate the fact that it's fall already. I like the fall weather. It's a little cold, you know. Actually, pretty much very cold. It feels like it could be winterish. And it's the beginning of the end of my fishing. This is a river right there. Pure weeds, eh? Right out here, weeds. This is the only opening, so you're gonna want to cast out in the opening towards that middle. There's a lot of wind out here, guys. So I think I'm gonna have to go slow and steady to try and get them on this one. It's nice and windy and freaking chilly. I'm gonna have to knock them fish in the heads with this lure. Right now I'm noticing that my chest mount ain't aligning because I'm moving my head. Yeah. So I'm gonna put on the head strap mount because it's gonna give you a better view. But look at all those eggs, that big old pile of eggs right there. I don't know if those eggs are gonna be surviving, but holy mondos, boys. I don't know what really they'd be biting right now because they don't want my Shad Rap. I encourage you to watch Hat Cam Bass. I downloaded a couple of their videos here. Hat Cam Bass, he really teaches you about where these bass will be. I gotta get some research done out. He's telling me I need to use my lure right there that I have, eh? I sure hope there's shad right out here, because guess what? If I find a school of shad and I use that lure out there, they'll go wild. And you gotta use smaller lures apparently, because the shad aren't full grown out in the fall. Nothing's eating right now. I don't blame them. It's gotten so cold. They're probably shivering. Holy crap, guys. Look what I found. It's Rapala company and everything. It's just broken right here. I could switch out that whole outside, but man, oh man, what a find, guys. I've seen some homeless people out here. Looks like they caught themselves a carp, or some idiot threw it out there to rot. Holy crap, guys. I think I could very well be wrong, but a freaking bass pulled my frog under, or it got caught on a lily pad. No! Caught me a bass today, guys. It looks to be a very tiny bass. Nice. He's a meaty one. It's nice and cold out. I'm chilling him up. He's just opening his mouth. There you go, guys. He's freezing. You can just tell. I'm getting chilly. Trying to catch me another bass. Had one on, got off instantly. Hello guys. Whew. Whee. I am freezing. Woo wee. I'm freezing my buttocks off. Woo wee. I want to spend as much time on the water as I possibly can before it freezes. I think it's time to wrap it up, boys. I'm so doggone cold. I'm too cold to be fishing like this. I think just because I'm chilly doesn't cut it. I'm doggone chilly. I'm gonna die.